Hello and welcome to the Charles County Master Gardeners Just for Kids video series. My name is Teresa Jones and I'm a Charles County Master Gardener. Today I will be demonstrating how to make a self-watering planter. Please be aware that adult supervision is needed for this project. Let's go through the materials that we need. You need a soda bottle with the lid on, some yarn, or in this case I have cord, good potting soil, seeds, or whatever you want to plant. You can also plant a small, very small house plant. Need scissors, a nail, hammer, and if you want to be precise, a ruler. All right, let's get started. Your first step will be to, of course, your Coke bottle has been rinsed, to remove the label. Discard that. And if you would like it to be totally clear, you can soak this and totally remove the label. In my case, I found that was not necessary. I'm going to go ahead and take my cap off. You do need very sharp scissors for this. You want to cut maybe, if you want to measure, it's 5 or 6 inches. I just eyeballed it. So a couple of inches down from the curve. Try to cut as straight as you can. But it doesn't really matter if it's totally even. There we go. All right, so now you have your two parts. Next, we want to make our wick. With the cap, you're going to, in this case, I used a nail. You can also use a drill. Put a hole in the cap so that it goes all the way through. That may be a little difficult to get out, just work it through. And then I have, voila, a hole. Through this, I'm going to thread my wick. Again, if you want to measure, that will be fine. It recommends about 10 inches of yarn. If it's a little shorter or a little longer, that's not a problem. Before you thread your wick, you want to tie a knot in one end. Now with your cap, you want to hold your cap, thread your yarn from the inside through your hole. Voila, you have your wick. This project is just about finished. One thing I'd like to mention is if you want to decorate this, you can. In that case, you would also need maybe some colored tape, paint. In my case, I didn't find that was necessary. Let's get ready to plant our seed. I'm going to add water to my planter. In goes the wick. You're going to put this like so. The only thing we're missing now is soil and seeds. That's okay, it can be messy, so you may want to put some newspaper under before you start your project. tap it a little bit. And I'm going to be planting corn seeds. I'm going to plant about 3 or 4 of the seeds. They need about a 1/2 inch into the soil. I can't wait to see what these are going to look like coming up. Put a little more soil on top. There you have your self-watering planter. I hope you've enjoyed this project and have good luck with your seeds.
We hope you have enjoyed watching our video. We welcome you to share photos of your activity on the Charles County Master Gardeners, University of Maryland Extension Facebook page. Also, please visit our website resources page at the URL shown on the screen and click on Just for Kids for more activities and information. Thank you for watching.